Okay, today we're going to replace the air filter in the car. This is the air filter for the Murano. Just picked it up at the auto parts store. It's costs about $17. First thing we're going to do is get under the hood. To do that, we have to pull the knob here. This one is the hood knob. I'm going to pull on that. Hood pops. Then we have to release the safety. The safety is usually right here in the middle. There you go. That's that little tab there. You have to try to get that with your finger, and then lift the hood the rest of the way. Now this is the air box. Right there. It sucks in the air through the air cleaners. Okay, and right here it goes into the fuel injector. You can see the hose goes into the fuel injector. So we're going to get into this box to change the filter. It has two clips, one here and one way back there. So what we do is we get a hold of the tab at the bottom, pop that up, get a hold of the other one if we can, pop that up, and the box is now open. Here you are, Joe. You want to hold? Okay, after we get the clips undone and we just lift it up, you can see the filters right there. Pick it up by the corner and work it out. You can see how dirty that is. So it's time to change that about every 25,000 miles. Depends on if you're in an area with a lot of air pollution. Here's the new one. You can see the difference between the two. Now we're just going to flip that over. Put one end in first. And after it gets in there, we swing it around, drop it in place. Put the cover back on and lock the two hold downs in place, and we're all set. That's how easy it is. It's not a big deal. About every 25,000 miles, that's $17, 20 minutes to change it. It's a good idea to keep your car running clean and help you with gas mileage too. Hope that's helpful. Thanks for watching.